Welcome to Fun and Easy Kitchen Utensils Guide, Part 4, presented by UnivShow. Let's take a look on day-to-day utensils' useful name. First one is blender. The spell is blender. It is used to mix fruits or vegetables to make smoothies or juices. Next tool is toaster. The spell is toaster. Toaster is used to heat bread to make crispy toast. Next tool is ice tray. The spell is ice tray. Makes ice cubes to cool your drinks. For references of an example, you can see the pictures as well. Now going to the next tool, and that is microwave. The spell is microwave. Heats food quickly without using a stove. Next tool is strainer. The spell is strainer. Removes tiny bits from liquids like seeds from juice. Next tool is ice cream scoop. The spell is ice, cream, cream, scoop, scoop. It helps to serve ice cream in round scoops. If you haven't watched the part 1, 2, and 3 of kitchen utensils tools, then go and check in the description. You will see the link, just click on that to get more information on kitchen utensils tools. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, visit the channel UnivShow. Please like, subscribe, and share the video.